Let me know.
There's just array.
Action.
Happy holidays, everyone, from Tyler and the REC. Enjoy time with the family. Everyone around, just make sure you have some good food as well as some great times.
What would you like to say to everybody?
Hi, I'm Clem from RE.
Can I just get a quick happy holidays message from you, my dear Laura?
Let me find out something. Christmas in Holland. I think it's Sinterklaas. Are people like giving their own like happy holidays, whatever?
Yeah, happy holidays, but like specifically from them, like what they do and all that sort of thing.
Don't touch me either.
I hate when you say that.
I know, honestly.
I thought you listened to the washroom. Okay.
Give him more. Give him more. Push them. Push them more. No what actors become. Always.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Rolling.
Yeah. Did
Hey,
not
guys.
cut.
No, I can't go with hey guys. I hate hey guys.
Action.
Hey guys, from all of us here at REC, we wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays, guys.
Jas Takhar here, and I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday, Happy New Year, Happy Festivus to the rest of us as well.
Be safe out there.
Happy holidays.
For my Dutch friends out there, a happy Sinterklaas Day.
Thank you so much for the ongoing support in 2019. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and have a safe and happy holiday.
I would like to wish every single person, friends, family, clients, partners, an absolutely amazing holiday season. Everybody has a tremendous year in the brand new decade ahead. Peace.
Come on, give us up.
Be serious.
Did you do that? Like, that was so good.
Great, yeah, I agree.
You want to do it one more time?
Nah, use the other one.
Aww.
I feel bad.
Why'd you do that? That was perfect.
It was perfect.
I can't do that again.